What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some of people we run through the intro. We have Dyema and done KEKE my people. So KEKE must see this Dyema and Dyema respond to her. Share I'm gonna share that with Uno. Just so I say more to tell more the thing. We also have the Lion Man. I try link up back with him ex. You know what I mean? The number one ex we say she use brush on him. BATTY. You see me and she and Jabas even kick off. My people, me always telling you say, you see anyway Jabas and the Lion Man there a problem. You see me? So no I miss that one here. We also have K expose our husband some more my people. Boy I don't know. Yo, the man have K a crash out my people. And me I wonder how you feel just a crash out so and you left the man. And like the man left you, you left the man, and the man I try come back for you almost a year now, I try get back with you and you deny him. So why you crash out? So me I wonder if this is just an act for the media or a real thing. But me personally my people, I think a real thing. I don't think no act and no act here act right here. So you see me I say. So we have that my people and many more things. We just remember them off at the top of media now. So we're gonna get in it when you're in the intro. Definitely I'm gonna see in the video and maybe we'll add more things as we go on. So make we kick it off my people.
Alright. Since I don't know.
Me not do media capping, you know. I know why me not stop trolling, cause me and you know say I be a cap, bro. Me not do media capping, bro. Let me tell you something what I learn in a life, Pops. You see man them talk a lot like you. You see man them talk a lot like you never have nothing yet. You see man them was silent and them a do it for true, yeah? No scammer no come for me that come say them a scammer me, bro.
You have some man.
You're mad, smaddy. No scammer no come for me that come say them a scammer. You're mad boy, you know see that? Yes, no scammer, bro.
Me a no scammer, me a banger. I'm rich and you know money like me, bro.
Banger where? Are you bed you bang? Bang where? When I click your live button and I beg, I must have bang there do. I must beg go way over here beg your call bang.
Who no beg hard more than me on TikTok. Me come on live when me head take
besides,
me.
use a W. Use up that W for you. You come on live when you're frost. Go look at change. Me know. What you gonna do? Go for a brick now and show me. I call a friend and tell him to lend their money on the dresser, not true?
I come on live when me talk, brother. This sign on my wallet, brother. Look, this sign on my wallet, brother. This is like 200,000 in my wallet from last night till now.
That's 200,000, bro. You talk to a man with no money. I know 200 grand that.
So if me count it on the
I don't not even reach 100.
What you go tell me, sir? Figure
I
it
know
out.
200,000 that, my bro.
You see, if I make a little TikTok money, when I make you and just relax here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Alright, 55. More you count them, I know. Check how much check how much check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It's at 23 you know. I'm gonna put it down in front of the camera. I'm gonna check
23, 2,000 how much?
23, 2,000. Remember you say you no reach that, you know?
23, 2,000 how much, Pops?
And we are gonna do is screw down, watch out. 10, 20.
So when you talk about the same money and account it back?
50, 60. This is 65,000. And this are 23, 2,000.
So 23, 2,000 how much?
Check
23 and 23 how much?
Ask your chat no. 20 is at 23.
23 and 23 how much?
But cause man, ask your chat. It's a 46,000.
Alright. So show me 200,000. 46 and 65.
And this is how much? This is how much
65.
65. Listen up. You said no. Listen up. You said that no reach not
46 and 65 no reach 200,000 yet. When you cap you have to have proof. Show we saw 200,000.
Listen up.
Where is our money there?
Listen what me I say now.
We don't want ear. You tell we saw 200. We don't want ear. You say 200,000.
Chat. He said this money not even reach 100,000. At that he saying my money not even reach 100,000. So you see say pass over 100,000 shame. This are like 111,000 in a man right now. Someone a shame, brother. Anyway, me buck you show them. Cause me know you have more money on me. So me no know on this side of my wallet alone. So me no know where you go tell me, say brother. A real life thing me I deal. The man say money.
Person.
So I'm not kind hearted.
A loyal person, a respectful person. Yeah.
You will
So
never
one of your groupies is here, Jayden. One of your, call your groupie back.
Which group is that?
QT, call her back.
Who name Cutie?
I'm not a threat. You can have him.
Ashley, listen.
So Jayden, you want back Ashley with you or troll?
Jesus Christ. No,
Yeah,
don't,
want to talk back.
don't answer that.
Oh.
Don't fucking hell.
Yeah, but I want to talk back, of course.
Well, I can't do your thing, Jayden. Follow your heart.
Yeah, cause me even follow me out. See me as
I'm bad to bad, don't really do our still, no.
No, do I?
Nice girl, I'm a nice girl.
Is a very nice girl.
Yes, you just have an attitude problem, but it comes with the package.
And I like the package.
Yeah, so you can't try again, man. It will work out.
Ashley, you see that, Ashley? Let me tell you how life work, Ashley. Come in on the camera. You saw life work? Yeah, you hear me?
How does life work?
Life, let me tell you how life work. Life work in a mysterious way, no, darling. You see? Me go around and go find and go try search on them thing there, and the universe I said, darling, you and Jayden for that. You see?
But guess what, Jayden? I'm searching for somebody who looks at me and knows. I don't want to be fourth, third, fifth option. No, sir.
No, I'm not fifth option.
No, I don't want you to try out everything else to come find out that I'm the one. Because I don't want you then after that. You understand what I'm saying?
No,
Because right now,
You know how you can work out, Jayden? Just move back in and make sure you hide every bro.
that's not going to work for me.
no,
I don't want ain't no woman is having nothing over me. Ain't no.
That's true.
I'm not doing that, sweetie. I don't want no woman is having nothing over me. No woman can tell me that they have my man and no kind of fuck you like that.
Which woman tell that?
There's enough women that can come and tell me that.
No, them not me. Them
They're
things
lying. They're lying on the young man.
Jabba, stay out of this. We're still not friends.
You never look at him for you, Ashley. Can make you a team.
But I don't need to in this conversation.
Huh?
Go on talk, man. What they are doing?
Such a nice, beautiful woman. Look at her skin.
Very. The best girl ever have. The best girl ever have, Jayden.
Swear to God.
I don't know how you lose this angel.
Well, I'm
You stupid, bro. You come like a soul waste man, bro. You can't get them to support your hand, bro.
Aka's agreed.
You can't agree the brother just fix things, bro, and come again.
I know they're trolling. That's why I'm just sitting here watching.
Oh, she's talking about me a troll, me not troll.
I'm not trolling.
I'm not troll. It's a very nice show.
I'm dead ass.
Well, people, tell me what you think in the comment section, because me feel like say the lion man for just leave that girl alone. You saw me I say she been through a lot with him, and what she want, him can't provide that. You see me I say, as we say, every man cheat, but the way how him deal with film thing and the road where him depend and how the path where him depend right now, she can't help him certain way, and what she no want that him a bring to the table. So right now him have to just chat for him journey and make she chat for her journey, and if ever in the future when him accomplish when he want to accomplish and ease off of some of the things them him a go out with, maybe them the time they can try again, but I feel like him to just leave her alone right now. So tell me what you think. Although I troll them a troll her still, but let me know what you think, the people. Make her watch some more.
And my cousin Greg.
Ashley, I know your face here still look nice, darling. I don't know why you got
She's just naturally pretty, bro. She's the one that Taurus Riley sing the song about.
So Ashley, him did look you?
When?
No, man. No, man, it's hard.
No comment.
No, don't do that, girl.
No comments. What do you mean no comments?
Don't do that. But no comment. Answer your boyfriend.
I'm not talking about you look at me. I'm talking about the friends you keep. No comments.
The friends we keep.
He never looked me, but Jade, I'm talking to you. I'm talking about the friends you keep.
Oh, which friend me keep? What do you mean by that?
Friends that you gotta ask these type of things.
Oh. No, man, I can't do it one time. So just ask if him did.
Me never do it. No, go lick out the mama. Me never do it. No time. No time. Me never do it.
Jamaica is very warm right now, and you know.
Right.
So Jayden, when they know England.
Let me see if we're gonna get it right.
No, England today.
Oh, Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Oh. At night over there, no, Jayden.
Yeah, at night over there, yeah, at night over there now.
So she come back to Jamaica for Jayden. Oh God.
I don't know if she gonna make them take over body over here, so.
Take away who?
Yeah, gonna make them take over body.
What does that mean?
Yeah, we come back for your girl, our next girl. We come back for your man, our next girl. I'll get you.
Somebody's gonna take him. That's not a problem.
No, them off of my body.
What? In what way?
They want to do me things.
And he feels safe around you when you're here.
Yes.
I'm not gonna say what I want to say.
Wait.
You wouldn't even want me to say anything, so.
Actually, let me by that.
May I read that mind, Jayden? I can't tell her what she has said.
What she has said?
She has said the only time she'll be coming back here is when she's looking over your body.
What the fuck?
No, she not said that.
I don't even joke like that. Like I don't wish that on nobody. We preach life over here.
Yeah.
That's a
Batty
no.
boy, she not said that. Batty man.
Fuck your mama that you must say. Alright, make you tell her when that's it.
I don't know why he's so corrupt, you know.
I don't know why he's so corrupt. That's when I like him. I don't like him.
What I told you yesterday then. What I told you yesterday. Gabba said you go and feed the brush, go suck your mama. No brush never use. That was a lie, she lie. And this time I just work with it because see have a swing. No brush I lie them I tell. No brush never push up nowhere.
Or them don't know serious switch wash.
Yeah?
I remember it like yesterday. That's what I reminisce about. If you're asking me if I still have thoughts about you in the bedroom, like that's it.
Sweet, you know, like how you get it.
So Ashley, the brush the brad, alright, go long brush him.
I already gave you guys the details about that. I ain't trying to go back there.
You sure somebody to follow up in
That is sad. That's sad.
You're gonna really back the boy for you.
You men need to stop swearing for other people, you know, because you don't know what people be doing behind closed doors.
Brother, let me tell you something, Javas. You don't know.
You need to stop it.
You don't know my fantasy in a dog. You see it.
So what next one? Actually? Me and pussy like a dog. The number one do I want to go on over there?
It's a work. It won't work.
I look like a show. I can't find Jayden tap me and feet. Me not see one number one again.
True.
Rather I say I batty man them and pussy man them there up on the podium far away. Eh?
Where's me here?
You go do.
Where? Money. Your phone. What me?
What lip line do I use? I just use a normal store brand lip liner, you know.
No, she just use a normal lip liner like everybody.
I'm telling you the truth.
Yo, no, I hear me?
Yeah.
What about me, G?
Jayden.
Yo.
Brown color
Ashley.
and a black one.
Yo, don't call to her no batty boy.
Yo.
What you say?
Where you call to her for?
So what I do then? Hold on the bunny screen, father.
Yeah, alright, yell her, just yell her and say, just yell her, you see, like, you know, like one of the general them just, Ashley, Jabas, Jayden, tough.
Yeah, can advice, can I go soft when you say Ashley?
Yeah, man.
Not like that.
Alright.
Maybe she like that.
Hold on, let me give you one soft bite too.
No, I like to be
Jabas
just Empress
and
Ashley.
Jayden and Ashley. You wanna feel better?
She like to be approached as Empress Ashley, so put the Empress before it.
Oh, Empress Ashley. How are you? You good?
It just makes me glow. Yeah.
Empress Jayden, relax.
Yeah, tight to it. You have to relax yourself. Because you know where you're going, so what wrong with you?
Book, how you know that? You should make you know Jayden. See, come and chat to business.
You see, that's why I'm not giving nobody nothing, you know. And that's why.
Boy, move your pussy. What you talking about? What you talking about? Yo, later, you're a batty boy.
Chelsea, what's up?
Nothing, I'm just chilling.
How's life?
Life is great.
How life great?
Like things are working out in my favor, things that I really wanted to happen are happening. So yeah.
Oh, you think that we didn't plan?
What kind of plans?
Remember, so we have plans, you know.
What kind of plans do we have? Tell me. Remind me.
I go come over there, I go meet the people there, I go.
You go what?
Say I go come over there, I go meet the people there, you know. So how's my stepson?
You don't have a stepson, but my son is great. My son is wonderful, thriving, growing. Yeah.
Actually, why you have to do that?
Because Jayden let me be stepson. You never want to claim. You never want to claim him.
No, because I don't want to forget. Say me not no son.
Why Jayden never know say so much G made it by?
So I said, she has told me dream.
I wasn't telling you no dreams. I was being dead serious. But it's funny how he said it. That's why I laughed.
You have doubt about me?
I don't have no thoughts about you. What kind of doubts?
Where's that?
What kind of doubts?
Where's that first?
I said, I don't have no thoughts about you. What kind of doubts?
Stop. Do that, no, man.
Let me say this. I don't have any expectations of you, so how can I have doubts? Or thoughts? You were second thoughts?
Miss Blinger gone back in our board house, in our bed, in our bunk house. With bunk bed them.
Yeah.
This is Ashley.
I know, Ashley. What's up?
Alright, my people, tell them all the thinking in the comment section. And me did check some Miss Blinger close for the house. She no move all now. Cause this is the same background from the house. All house there now. You see me I say? So I don't know how she not moving at the new one yet. Maybe she rent it out as Airbnb. Let me know what I think my people make watch some more.
I'm good.
She chatted to Ashley. So we have somebody can hear. No, not me alone.
He was part of the group that brought me down after that talent show for no reason.
Yes, good.
You know when somebody bring her down?
You know when somebody bring her down? You bring her should do that. You bring her girl.
You know when somebody bring her down?
You bring her girl.
Recordings of you guys talking shit behind my back.
Okay, so you know when somebody bring her down?
And
You
were
did it.
bringing me down, yes.
Yeah, this is a woman. This is a this.
You were talking shit about me, you were bringing me down.
This is my woman. Where she have sense.
Towards me to
Do you call that bring down?
Of course.
Absolutely. That's what it is. That's bring down. That's bullying. You're a bully.
Yeah.
And I don't fuck with that. And I'm not fake. So like we don't have to talk right now. That is it.
Oh, speak up here. What I
Blood clot and I come over here, suffer. So you not jump then?
No, you come here go see her, Miss Blinger.
You're the one that came in here and joined this conversation that was happening. You're the one that to jump. Last one in, last one fucking out. You couldn't tell me to jump. Last one in, last one fucking out. Right, so that's really what you were, and that's exactly what you were saying when I jumped in the time show. You're fucking statue.
You're dirty airbrush back to old plain blood clot and go from after this. Hey, what's up, your mother?
Let me mute you.
Come on, for this.
Just getting your fucking life together. You want to come talk about?
Miss Blinger, Brighty. Miss Blinger to all time, Miss Blinger. Miss Blinger to all time blood clot.
I don't want nobody
to all time, Miss
why I
Blinger.
block them, why I unfollow them. Don't come
Yeah, black him actually to all time, Miss Blinger.
do fake shit, Miss Blinger.
To ras all time for a big woman, you understand that age, Miss Blinger. To go ahead.
Police of what they were saying.
Stop,
what they were
Let me not see it too. Me see scream recording. Go for answer, Miss Blinger, leave the girl alone.
I jumped and they all started talking about me. Like they started flaming me. Her, Jabaz, Vines, a couple other people were on there for no reason.
That's too much. She could go, man.
Roger. Like for no like.
She could go, man. She too bad mind. She could go. Me love how you tell her your mind, girl. Like she go for an old man.
What place where me now want go? Now because them see me sit down and asleep. Now because them see me sit down and asleep. The fuck down suck with girl ya when you use airbrush and play up in a man body wall come talk about bring down. The boy will bring her down. They right there so when Jayden did bring her down and me bring her back up. And me bring back up that little suck lick out body wall dirty orange girl ya. But bring down. I mean, we don't have strength for. Ashley no one of to fuck with me. Ashley no one of to fuck with me. And me bring back blood clot Ashley on this. 90% of them when the man them dump them and run them and class them and me, the queen of TikTok, yes so. The fuck did I suck with girl ya? I stop answer them now. You hear say me a go on like me better than people. Me avoid them dirty blood clot. Ashley, you want beard. Ashley, you want beard. Young green grass girl, you think them reach down your blood clot belly if you ever slip on little girl. Listen to me now, little girl. See me and love me. The boy will bring you down and give you the blood clot. You sit down with paradise right now, you know. Because
Chat, they're gonna some top size.
Somebody just talks up.
They're gonna some top shot. They're gonna some top.
I'm only playing one match though, because I have to go bathe my son and get him ready for bed.
Oh, don't forget you though. Double chat.
Ashley, me now like
Chat, double tap team.
Ashley, come here.
Double guys, double. Me and the part team guys, come on.
Ashley, me tell you, Ashley. You know walk around and jump. You see, when me left.
Yeah, I do. Make go try rough flat.
It's when me left. Ashley. Ashley, it's when me left. You know.
Anyway, say.
Section not talking.
Double chat, double.
My comment section.
Ashley, when me left, Ashley,
double guys. First keep
Bella, big up Bella, the bombshell.
I want to double
chat, double no chat.
What is you saying?
Ashley, one thing me like. You see when me left, you never really jump around and try to get no other man. You see? Me like that boy, Ashley.
But
Come in the panda.
But that didn't have anything to do with you.
Me know it.
That is just how I normally stay, and I had some things that were more important. That is nothing I need ratings for from you.
And in my corrupt,
You know what I mean?
I didn't say that to a job as well.
Like, that's just how I stay. I had things to do, like. Why you bring on?
I don't have any problem. So why you coming here about not a cup of tea like I did tell you? Say I want to be your man.
Other people. I have a select. 1 second, baby. I have a select group of people that I.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section and make you watch some more.
Don't want to mix around with anymore, and you are part of that group.
I never want to mix with you from day one, darling. I never want to mix with you from day one in the mix.
Zabas.
Okay, that's the reason why I'm excusing myself and I'm letting you do your thing. You're the one that come find me again.
Me find you? Me?
Zabas, remember say my baby mother, just cool now, bro.
But she can't come here and say that, bro. I mean, never trouble this girl yet, bro.
But I didn't disrespect you. I just said you're not my cup of tea. Like, I'm not a hypocrite.
He's not my cup of tea either, darling.
Like, I have you blocked. Like, I don't want to be on you.
I don't care, darling. I don't know if I'm nowhere.
No, and that's
like mix up.
Because if you're not my cup of tea and I'm avoiding
He's the
you,
biggest mix up on here, bro.
Yes,
He's the person
I am
who brings
a
down.
cup of tea. I am a cup of tea.
that's that.
Jayden, when you don't follow there, man, cause Jayden, I see him.
No, go do your thing, Jayden.
No, bro, let the girl alone, bro. What do you mean by that?
I will go, okay? Later, guys.
No, Ashley, wait now.
Jesus Christ.
How about Jesus there now?
What are you trying to do right now?
Ashley, just talk, Ashley. Ashley, me not like problem in Ashley. You see it?
There is no problem. I'm in my corner, he's in his. Like, it's literally just that.
But Ashley, you say forgive me and them thing there. You see?
Ashley, I wait to hear me talk about yourself.
Jayden, it's not the same.
Yes, bro. Yes, Ashley.
No, man, this are Jayden people. But listen, I say no have to know what me say about
Normally you would diss me because you're very comfortable with disrespecting women. But because you're boss, because you love man, obviously you can diss women. Because boss said you can't diss me, that's why you're not dissing me now.
Me love man, me love man.
It's not my vibe.
Me love man.
Obviously, because you're taking orders from men and you love dissing women.
Calm down, here, girl. Calm down. Okay?
No, Ashley, Anna, I respect, Ashley, I respect. I would have the same thing for you.
I thought me never decide need a Jayden more than just troll the situation.
Hey, guys, 1 second.
But I really that bonus that show me the pick me side.
I'm my own thing right now.
Ashley, how about him? You don't like him neither.
Doctor, what on?
Ashley, come on, take camera for.
Yo, don't disrespect her, not batty boy.
Bro, I don't waste man. I don't walk on this woman like it.
What's wrong with this woman?
First thing first, you take care of your baby mother. You see me as a mother?
Exactly what's still the side. Thank you.
Yes,
What's my issue with Suma?
No, I'm just ask if you have no issue with him.
No?
The only issue I have with you, I've should the brush in a big stinking back.
I didn't like it.
Hear the things you said about your
I didn't like it. I didn't like it.
Yes, sir, so I've run out a batty holy brush.
Yeah, I did love him, mother love. Remember say you nearly fuck your mother, bad boy. Remember say you back your fifth after your mother love. Mother love. Oh, you have a face where only your mother can love. Mother love. You have a face where only your mother can love.
You suck out a big put the suck cocky mother to Jabas. Go suck your mother. Your mother jump on cocky and bite off cocky. Go suck your mother, Jabas. Jayden, go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. Ashley, big up yourself, Ashley.
Yeah, go hear him. Yeah, go. Ashley.
Maguala come and chop him in the head, what do you?
Ashley, let me tell you. You see them boy there? Them boy there, man, we sit down and nearly fuck out their mother hole. You see, them man, they listen to their mother get fucked. You see, a good thing we have a mother, you know, so probably I could have meet up.
Perfect.
I fix Carlo. Look at the man, I'm going to go because 2 days a day where you better shed like even over this blood clot, you know.
What the man answer? You know what if you add say you come back?
Yeah, so good.
So actually rate Zuma and rate Jabas. I mean I understand.
Listen, I don't rate Zuma. I just said I have no problem with him. Listen,
I not look at rate you. I not look at rate you. Look at rate you.
Yo, youth, nobody rate me, youth. Hear that?
like, what are my ratings going to be?
Me don't know people and people don't know me. Oh.
Yeah, if you run on ratings.
Can I go suck your mama?
Jabas, out of all of the girls, I'll tell you the honest truth. Ashley, your bro, you want to lie and suck your mother body boy. Yo, Jabas says, out of all of the girls, this was the girl that loved me for real.
Nice.
I love you.
Huh?
I love you.
How you think? How you think?
You say I love you, Kashi. Listen up. You see, reason I love you because you play matrix on your body.
I true, I like that. I did like that. I did love it. We did love it. Yeah.
Zuma never go so bring them that try bring on you.
No, it got so, left it. It got so.
Jabashi was there?
You was there,
You was there?
You was there for the boy. And that's why you like, because I'm going to get all lies.
Take this filter off.
You get all lies, so that's why you like, because it's all lies.
Let me say this, Jabaz.
So come and try to bring you back up, let's stop it.
No. You need to take this filter off.
You come here and try to bring on you back up, you must stop it.
Don't look good.
No,
that's why you like.
I'm not bringing that price gone up.
Your teeth don't look clean enough to do that, Jabaz. Take that off.
Actually, you're a corruption girl.
Right. That's true.
You know, say
me a bigger corruption.
You know, say Ashley, hold her mouth. Mother think about it, but Ashley can't really hold her mouth, you see it. So that's why, you see what I'm saying?
Think about what?
Huh?
Think about what? I have a say in this shit too, it's not an option.
Do you remember the time when we used
You
to
saw Ashley pussy. Do you remember the time?
You remember the time when you almost back your fist off your mother? Me things you do it already, batty boy. Suck out your mama, batty boy. You would do that. Me know you do that. Me tell you to go suck your mother. Me know you do that. No.
Yeah, your man say the away pan film time. Me next. Pani mama. Me say, are you? Me say.
I force me here.
Never recover from this,
Ashley, if I back your fist off your mother.
Dirty man, Jabaz. Dirty man,
come. Back your fist off your mother yet? Me just ask a question, darling.
Hell no.
Okay.
Dirty man, Jabaz. Calm.
Me say, me mute that chat. Some don't know who my chat. Me mute that. But look at it.
Team one. You know you're wrong.
If you're drop like a blow.
First, BB and Ringa.
Yo, Jay, may I show you something?
No, me no want to see BBL, me good.
No, may I show you something?
Me no want to see BBL, me good. Yo, where are those Zuma? Stop showing me no brother. Me no want to see.
Up a black man yard in there, no.
Who named Black Man?
General.
Anyways. I don't see my purpose of being here with you guys right now.
Yeah, man, your purpose is here, bro. Darling, if I want some here, you have a purpose here. What are you saying?
You don't give me no purpose.
Can I give you a purpose?
You can give me a purpose, Jayden. You don't have the things I'm searching for.
Like what? What are you searching for, darling?
Like a kind-hearted, loving person.
So I'm not kind-hearted?
A loyal person, a respectful person. Yeah.
Right, my people, not talk too much in that one, yeah. We'll watch a bit more and then move on to the next.
So one of your groupies is here, Jayden. Call your groupie back.
Which group is that?
QT, call her back.
Who name Cutie?
I'm not a threat. You can have him.
Ashley, listen.
So, Jayden, you want back Ashley with you or actual?
Jesus Christ. No,
yeah, don't want her back.
Don't answer that. Oh. Don't fucking hell.
Yeah, but I want her back, of course.
Chanel, Chanel.
Music play outside, so you know we here.
In a jogger room, have music I play. You know, pick up Nantal. This is for the water choke me to be alert now. I know you can't get in my throat.
Watermelon too.
Try again. Over here, so you see your skin out your teeth. Go ahead. It's too right. No man. How to me I feel laugh. You know, pick up man. They can't anybody so pick up.
No.
Yeah. See that this guy come on back. If this guy come on back, it a freeze. It really a freeze with you. Thank you, babe. Guys, thank you. Everybody were there, guys.
Yes.
You just come back up now. I'm gonna tell them I'm gonna go fix it tomorrow because this argument be a problem. It don't make no sense. It not freeze. It not freeze. But it's gonna go, it's stuck. Enough love to you, baby. Thank you so much. No. Alright, they say now stuck, so try now. Take me turn me in a clown. No, me no done dance. Me a vibe with you now. Me no done dance, man. Me dey a vibe with you guys. He say I play one of theme songs, so I want to hear it. Guys, a film choices, so I might play that one here. Ah. What you mean there? Brother, unu make the man feel. You think the man has soon comments? Unu make the man just afraid.
Believe.
I got the man feel, yo, man feel uncomfortable. I know me I make him feel uncomfortable. I deal with the comment section. Think you don't see it? You must see comment section. Hold on, I want to ask him something. Hold on, I want to ask him something. Come here, pause that. Pause that. See, this is straight down. Baggery, what do I say? What is said to the man? What is said to the man? What is said to the man? You're too lie. You know that you said to the man. I wouldn't say the square.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Let's cheat.
Bombonade, come here, Mario. Come here. Me ask a question. You know me, don't?
Yeah, man.
You know me as Annie?
No, baby.
What you know me as?
Jamaica.
Alright, so you know Jamaica, you know, don't?
Yes, darling.
Alright? So them know Annie, you know Jamaica, don't? Alright, so what them must say everything what them say on the internet. What you think about that?
You think about that? Yeah, thank you. I'm not sure what you made them.
And she said, oh, somebody tell us me a 41. Somebody tell us me a 41.
Friend, I know that man.
Well, so now I ask him anything else, I can't afraid to get comfortable. What else? Oh, somebody say me a 42.
One of them.
What else? What else, guys? Brother, me now go down to 46. Me now go to 46. Take back that shit. What else? Rascal, somebody say me a 59. Yo, no wicked, yo, fuck.
I was young and nice and fresh. All of them.
Oh, what? Oh, yo, a smarty boy pitney him about 23-year-old. Yeah, 23, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, a smarty boy pitney with a 23-year-old, you know? Yeah. You say if you can read, if you can read. You can read?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Of course.
Alright, read the comments.
Yes, man. I am okay already. Joke thing, oh. We are just playing this, you know. Listen to us people, it's no business that. You don't know if I dog them, you know. Can't bother the fuck with it.
You don't want to fight dog them?
No enough people over here, you see me? No enough of them similar.
Who you know?
So if you call them, man, I'm give him a link, you know.
Somebody step on the safe, call them and give them money?
No, man. So if you link up, of course, how do you see it? So I want you to, you know.
Oh, like what? They must see up on the media, so they must be giving them money? Also because they see up on the media? So me ask you a question. So, maybe in a relationship, your whole family, everybody are gonna know, brother, everybody. So, how you feel about that? Like, how you gonna feel about that? Remember, say me ain't confirm dating. No, guys, we don't confirm dating together. I'm a friend. Oh, it's just because you don't want to listen. He's my friend, but he really and truly love me. You get what I say? Yeah, friend with benefit or whatever, but no relationship. So me ask you a question. So like how me is a media type of person, can you do this?
Yeah, man, me tries.
No, I hear that, bro. Any man who do it me for the media, for strong for the media, that me I tell you. Me and the man not there on the top label, me as there with man, bro. G, me say I'm a friend, me and him close friend with benefit, me want some dick, me beg it. We not there, me not see in a relationship with nobody, me and him this meet up back, we are friends, so they ratted wrong, we don't know. We don't love take things sideways too much, we don't listen. Backside, you know that? Say me and the man are friends for a long time. Much time I tell you that? Yeah. But we don't confirm no relationship. You can't, you say you can't read. You say you can't read. Oh, girl, they say that.
What drama thing go on, honey?
Which drama thing? You not read the thing good. Don't look here, read good, bestie, read good. Oh, smart man said nobody not say what you said. Me nah read or what? Is it? They must say nah read or what?
No, we not full of them.
They say no one not study it them. Jesus Christ.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section, cause there's something about this money about me can't put my finger upon it, my people. But I guess eventually we are gonna see our ear, you know what I mean? There's something about him where he look like him have something, like him have a woman hide or something. You see me? Well, we don't want to think, cause people can't just stay so naturally still, you know. So, we don't want to think in the comment section. We can watch some more and then we move on to the next.
Oh, Jesus, him. Nice, do Annie. Okay, big up to you, baby. Nobody not said what he said. Hey, turn off the comment section. Bro, the comment section, I get your little brains. Wow.
Can't manage.
Eh?
I can't speed outside. Like a turtle. See, I'm good at it to keep money. You can't show first, but I do it in charge. First, I do TikTok. First, but I like it up. But I like it up charge, you see? Shy out on the app. I like it up.
The man shy out, guys. You know, make the man shy out and there's something there. Right now, no make him man out a beat. He comment and run like, eh? Go suck your mother. Plenty blood clot time. Suck your mother, choke through your mother, dive through your blood clot mother, swim through your blood clot mother to a dread through blood clot holiday. How you? Go block your pussy to you. Think you can?
Good. And you use against me, husband. You use against me. Anyways, so all of that go on. You know,
If was not sure, you know.
You know, say fun and joke aside, no, I can't go to short good class. I can't, because short good class involves swallow come and the things then. I not even like when a boy come from my leg to bumbo class. I don't know.
You're afraid?
Yeah?
You're afraid?
I'm afraid to block up my tonsil and then...
No, man, I don't talk about them. It's short, you say you're afraid of boy come from your leg. So, you don't want to come to myself afraid.
No, it just not feel. Me just not like feel cold.
Like, sorry, I mean, me, a lot of woman, say. Maybe enough woman say.
Some of them boy not eat healthy and then come smell like poop.
Like what?
Like poop for true, like some of them come to them not eat healthy and not drink no water. Then some them come smell like poop and shit and them. Me not like it. Me not like it. I'm here to put some boy there and smell like one look of prawns poop. Me not take no lie. Me no love smell. Me no. So it me can't me no. It's okay. Me I run. I'm very rare. I find someone where they come on like all if they come on near T 20. I'm gonna go and say, cause me love smell. Me know every girl do it. Once a boy go so. Where I go smell, we wide know where you come smell. And someone who come smell like poop. Me don't know.
So you don't ask them, what am I eat?
No, only thing me will say, drink some what you need for drink water. You need for drink water. And eat your fruits.
Just tell them one time, so
promote your body. You see me? Me not talk him, you know, because I can tell you something about him. I want thing to know, me and a lion. Ten is a very clean, bumbo clad man. Cleany and beady. Me never, ever in my life smell him. Ever. Him clean. But me know a man will come to me like poop. It's true.
Sorry, so like a question, K. You see one time you went on the live or the phone call, Anima, open up and something. When you have a conversation there.
But the one of them, what to share your mouth for him?
I think
the comment section.
When I watch the comment section, I listen to him and I look on your reaction. You have it in mind if you're really sincere and from my heart and mind with you would have like probably consider if you forgive him. Come on, if you do it, just probably consider.
So at the end of the day, everybody know who they did and what their person. Why? Well, Jamila, stop taking my phone. I'm in an interview. Sure.
So where
we go over Jeffrey for true.
That wouldn't bad.
Jeffrey go explain. No, for that joke, I said we all know who we date and who what person is about. A lot of people are scared to admit it. But at the end of the day, we know who we did. You see me? So, if 10 can come out with a revenge, I'm going to call it revenge. biggest fear if I ever go back to 10 is 10 say him not fuck back no girl will left him. And me the only girl him that end up fuck back will left him, right? Me believe that for any world, no matter what we have, if I go always remember say me go fuck one next man. And him a just use against me cause someone wicked. As one argument kick off, you go say, remember pussy, remember you go fuck the boy there? Him a go always have it in a back pocket. If him go fuck a girl, him a go always remember. So you come tell me about girl, remember you did left me and go fuck the friend man. It a go
Some people tell me what they think in the comment section. Yo, I go on my people. You know what say a man and woman can't have a good relationship, but because what I call you? Because I get back, make the relationship mash right up. The woman maybe see the man, she say the man I give her bun, see? But him not rub it in her face or nothing. We know how women still love search to find what them no want know. You see me? Say the woman comes up, woman now search and find say the man I give her bun. She now can't manage it and decides say she want bun back the man. See, now the man find out say boy the woman give him bun. Right, this relationship mash up. Wreck can't come back to. Because let me tell you something. Man, you see once he find out say a woman a give him bun and a tree now growing in his face, him a go hard, him a go double, him a go triple time harder than how he used to go. And guess what, at the end of the day, the woman can't go keep up. You see me? And most man despise any woman who give them bun. You see me I say? So a woman end up lose a man who she really love just because of revenge. Because she find out say the man I do something now she want to do, and now the man left her. And the man who she a give him bun, we don't want her either. You see me I say? So sometimes to the man them, to the woman them, you have to think before you act. Because if you have a relationship where you're really in love with that person, yeah, don't jeopardize it. You see me? So people make me know what to think, make me watch some more.
Stay so. And not him alone stay so. So the thing is the first one, the man I go remember you.
Alright. If I want to Scorpio, just like myself, means I have to Scorpio. You see, you see something where we know. It's when we know something, we not use it against the same time.
No, you don't use it against the same time, but you're going to use it. You're not going to ever make that chance to come where you don't use it.
No, we wait for the chance and we keep it. With that, as a Scorpio, we can't tell her we have some. We know things that we not tell you.
You always remember things when you fuck up.
We not tell us, you want to do something where by the way, wait, but at the right time, I want to tell us, post what you want to this and that and that, and by that time, we already, and we are out or something. So for you to say that, you must see something. There are a lot of things where we not just see them there. And months before we actually tell us, we didn't know that.
I just some months there.
But when you respect him to come and speak out to you, so even though it's a public platform, I listen and I say so we can put look more respect on you to different from an artist. And look at the same time, because I was more like a sword where I wouldn't have no angle. A blade from both and I say, I don't think if you consider still a big old thing there, I want top tier disrespect to female, you know.
Yeah.
If you're a woman, you can't really say that to her, to her body for real.
Nobody pick my side because I'm a friend them, you know.
You know what I mean? It wasn't about picking a side, like, maybe I look from a man and woman perspective, because I say, but it's a man move, and I see it, I say, the real woman move is for really, probably consider not to go back to somebody with disrespect your front, where a man when I get. If I'm when I get here comfortable now, why all of a sudden it big, like, you know, and I say, I'm more thinking if like forgive him, but make him go on my business. Come here, I say, come really, I hope, come and sit and say, yeah, can't go back. And I say, what you pussy will make the woman to go back to one place so she get disrespected. But I think more say you probably consider if you forgive him, but don't forget it. And I respect him if he can come out, admit and apologize sincerely. No apologize. For the likes of people, you know.
Apologize. Him should have, alright. If you didn't have any respect for me, none at all, you wouldn't wait till 1 month after. See?
And then when I see this and I see what follow-ups after the song. Me I say like, dang, and I say Dick actually, I would just do the right and know, so okay, probably.
When me and the boss singing.
You know what I mean?
Hold on there. Somebody is trying to get hard. I don't know what it is. Hold on there. I think shit, him end up jump off. Hold on there. I was 73 people want to come up in my box condo. I know tonight. No, I don't want nobody call me title. If you want real raw truth, me tell you what size I'm old already. Medium wide. Ask raw truth family them. Me? They tell you something. The amount of man me taking in my lifetime and fuck out for how much time? Fuck. I want me to do time to one. Me not have no time to one. You not time for truth. What do you give boys some of me? I just said, me have to get mad in night time I sex. I have to say, block tappy, hear him. Bumbleclot. Okay, no man, from the boys see you old big, you come like you feel extra good. Tell me now. Tell me God living truth, K. Awa. We say stop. And then you go cuss bumbleclot, then Jesus Christ and the things. Yo, at the end of the day, we are sell jewelry tonight, guys. That more one before we get in our party, we don't have to buy out some of my things them. Paris come home, I not no money. We just want to have one bag left. We just get rid of it for me now. All ears ring off for $50. Every ears ring tonight for what holiday your name? Thanksgiving sale. Every ears ring off for $50. You understand? We have whole heap of ears ring for $50. We have Balenciaga chain set. You see me? All of them something there. Black Friday sale. We have Black Friday sale going on. You see me? The damn yard. Black Friday sale going on. And that we really come for talk about. But you know, controversy sells. At the end of the day, me not the type of woman to come out. Cause bad to body, this what me get. Me never this them say it. We have Valentino chain and we have earring for match it here. So we gotta always talk. We're not gonna say me a crash out and the things them. You see what like people them must say no. We make video and say K shouldn't say nothing, K shouldn't answer. Me see like a man come up in a box a while ago. Me see answer. But if me not come out come talk or it really go. Valentino chain, guys. Valentino. I think I 3 of them will have left. Come. So we have Valentino earring to go with it. Alright, come. We are showing you what left. The Valentino. I'm gonna just give you some. God is good. God is good. Come. $50. Wanna remember the number? Somebody pin the number. $50. We have Valentina ears ring. We have Chanel ears ring. We have white and gold, guys. For anybody who did want a next Chanel set, I have the last one. So you can get the bangle. You can get the bangle and the earring. $50 for the bangle. $35 for the bangle. $50 for the earring. Come on, guys. If you buy one of your things, you will get a discount. We still have Givenchy left. We have Givenchy necklace left. And we have silver Givenchy set where you get ears ring, everybody. You see me? This is the number 860-3769. Once you text that number, so you can ask her page. You can't call nobody shit in a bucket, girl. Your class.
Some people, Dyema and KEKE at it. You see me I say, so make we hear what Dyema for some people and the lion man join the live, so we don't know see a problem.
No class, you're some.
You know no class, you can't get shit in a bucket. You know no class, you can't get shit in a bucket. Cause every boy have been over your pussy. You know no class. Focus shot. You know no class, guy become shit in a bucket. I'm on the bump reject you. You can't call me shit in a bucket, nasty kiki. I want to look butter and catch you, girl. I'm not a power, not look up at me, can't have power down for me. But some me not play with no so good girl, this my friend, but no scream, I'm jump on that, me say. And I code that, me say, you know, like bunyo. Any girl, this my friend, me not play them, but no scream, but suck your mother.
Same son.
I just show other day, I show other day, I went jail life, because I want to click her off.
Bumbo clock, Mish!
After the girl come up, she be jump, the girl that chase me, but me a shit in her butt.
How much in her background?
Don't worry about who that, my man. You go let me know my man, Jayden. Jayden, me have my man, you know.
How that, fall off, King?
I want to talk.
You me a chat?
But you don't know who the back of me.
I figure it out that me know he pants them.
Which badge you do?
Me no interest.
Oh.
Me know the key there.
Hey, my new husband, where you talk?
Which key?
See the key there pan him waist there?
So I'm alone have a key there?
I'm alone have the key there, me know.
So me can't drive too.
Oh, what is? It's serious. I never know what I'm alone can drive BMW.
Well, me drive it too, but I'm alone with a bag there too.
9 rows, Chad.
9 rows, my team, 9 rows.
I'm gonna like me then, girl. And me come tell him I eat that girl, I say me shit a bucket. Kiki and nobody. Kiki and nobody. I bust her, she tell me shit in her. I tell it I bust her, she me shit in her. You come tell about what that shit in a bucket, girl. You make her rosealee reject you.
Shut up, use the glove, my team, use the glove.
What's your out there? I don't want to know who can come by me by the butter package cannot live nowhere.
See you.
All around that. When I'm mobile, blood clear, mattress, and any girl me and them live same place, but I'm going to pass cream, and also me come to me, I chop out on the face. Anybody when me and them live same place, but I argue with them.
See you.
Face to face, no, run it off. Suck your mother, girl. Wait on your mother, use a map about them a big Scotia bank hole. Focus your such a wanna go tell me, say, will you need more money? I figure it out now, want me? Still. I come and I start, my love. Gonna go tell me, say, me shouldn't have bucket. I will need more money. I figure it out, I want to fuck me. Still. I have to come with something new. That keep again. Hey, go suck your man. You soon have me a suck to Jen. Come here, leave my place. You suck good like brief.
Figure it out.
Where they call you, man? Because I want a new man, you have been a sale, I make everybody know.
Yeah? I'll take care and give my friend bun.
What?
I'll take care and give him bun. Diamond. You don't feel like you want somebody new. Oh, God, man. You don't feel like you want somebody new.
You feel like I want somebody new?
No, I never said that. You hear me say that? You hear me say that, Diamond?
You said the boy come over here and mix me up a while ago. Tell me how much you add Italian. I say, I don't Italian friend. Make Italian over there, trace ball when you're in the bottom of barrel, nobody want to play the bag. Me don't want to play that, the boy, because me don't follow that boy there.
And them, no, him always have Italian around him, like him I eat that. No, him always have Italian around him.
Him who?
Him. Yeah. I'm going to afraid of me, you know. That boy, that father ain't call me in real life, you know. Father ain't call me in real life, you know. So I don't want him to come hype up himself, you know. Big eat that boy. Me a friend enemy, because I can't walk over my pussy. When I say that, I don't give a fuck. Suck out to my mother.
You see, Uno?
Always one them. Always one them.
Okay, over here to mix up. I can't get nothing.
Always one them. You all them come from. I don't want to use no mind game, you know. I come talk about me. I don't come from far, you know. So if me I come from far, why don't I first one if switch up? I should be last one if switch up you. Suck out to the mother.
The oldest mother you come from far people, but blossom garden.
Damn, we are telling people them that far. How you know that?
You go like to know my baby come from. I must know you're Jayden. I go like say TikTok, me know your pan.
Ah, chat, I blossom garden, I'm first homes. and then they bring me I baritone one.
So anybody here come from far must be people about blossom garden. They don't know any name blossom garden, only Mobile people don't know that.
Oh yeah, man. All the Mobile people would not know them thing there. All the people who come from Mobile would not know them place there.
Only people who come from Mobile know any name blossom garden. Shut up 2.3K girl sit down over your palm stiff like a cocky and I can't move. And I love the crowd, you know.
Shut, you know, use a double, you know.
Thank you, my baby.
Use the double. Me, just a quick bro. Block me there.
Nah, crap, yeah, you get that food, yeah.
Lord, woman alone, so good boy. Suck your mother, boy. Clad, Dennis! Dyema, have your file. What kind of file that?
What kind of file?
I should have that.
She I all this money by everybody that if you put a clinic. I think nobody had no fire to Jayden.
What kind of file them could have for me?
And Jayden talk everything we do for early. Why not fire for me that I bring them myself like you too?
Yeah, I bring them myself before them go.
No myself too. Jayden, my mommy come on to them so she not bucket, you know.
Make sure I bring none myself, you know.
Me too.
Yeah, so when the people look on chat, if people them go say, him don't tell that already, so what else you have new?
Last time I'm going to tell them about the kitchen, I'm going to tell them about the shit in the bucket, so then I have no secret for me.
3 millions. Beg us, chat, come on, guys, send the rose them.
Good afternoon, babies.
Yo, figure out about that shoot, you know. Chat, come on, my team.
Shoot for you.
Huh?
Shoot for me?
Yeah.
Alright, you know that. I use the double here, so.
Yes, Mish, yes. Who else?
No, sir, 2,000 people can go on, yeah? This not look good.
Alright, see globe there.
2,000 girls per me, so.
2,000 girls sit down for me and I can't get nothing. That 2,000 enemy over here.
Come on, that enemy them here.
Yeah, man, chat. Only weak link. Come on, my team. Last time I said that them both me done, you know.
You saw me make Jayden talk about me a weak link chat. You know focus now? Focus chat.
Chat, don't give me no heart me, no chat. Give me no heart me there. Give me no heartbeat. Suck your mother pops. Chat, don't give me no heart me there. Give me no heart me there.
Jayden saying I'm going to Pop saying go do what I did.
Yeah, figure it out. Tell him that.
Tell them I'm going to put car. Pop saying go over right. Put money on his head. Yeah, man, so my crowd go on. Left 1.8 now, go on.
Beautiful one. Oh, no, come over here, so you know.
No, go on about Jayden. Go on.
Some people want to tell more to think in the comment section, because right here now we are going to go over TikTok liar. And boy, she have a look of clip into the Rosealee, my people. And Rosealee have them girls stand up here. One foot gone over there, so one next one gone over there, so them meet in the middle, and then one next gone over, then one next. Where I say tie gone over here, so one next tie gone over there, so boy, my people, Jaja, Rosealee have them girls stand up. We can watch some more people and then we'll go over Rosealee. We just watch a bit more and then go over Rosealee.
What about Jayden? You better off for me. No, shoot.
So I can still review the party at my house.
You're happy, go.
I can still review the party at my house, chap.
How was that?
I keep telling them every day, this is no the other day. Everybody expect you to lose.
You know that they on the internet are class people? When the mama class? No, sir. They look at her body up in her back.
That's that, but we are here to play cricket. And I keep telling them every day, this is no the
Jesus have mercy.
That's that, but we are here to play cricket. And I keep telling them every day, this is no the other day.
They can't have look.
That's that, but we are here to play cricket. And
Not that they on the internet are class people.
the other day, everybody expect you to lose. That's that, but we are here to play cricket. And I keep telling them every day.
They not that they on the internet are class people, chat.
That's that, but we are here to play cricket. And I keep telling them every day, this is no
They look how under, look how she, her foot, look there, everything just lovable there, so. No, sir.
I keep telling them every day, this is no the other day.
And that rose must frozy, you know, look how her leg them close together. And that rose must frozy.
I keep telling them every day,
Look how her leg them and lock up together. And that rose must frozy.
and I keep telling them every day, this is no the other day. Everybody expect you to lose. That's that, but
Yeah, man, the ear can't pass under the desk of tickers.
I keep telling them every day, this is no the other day.
And watch rose batty up in her back. How what the ras this? I first me this money shape saying now.
I keep telling them every day,
Rose batty up in her neck back to rotted.
that's that, but we are here to play cricket.
And that they on the internet are class people.
Everybody expect
That they on the internet are class people.
cricket. And I keep telling them every day, this is no the other day.
Look on top girl. Look on the top girl chat.
And I keep telling them every day, that's that.
Why? They look there. And where are that?
Everybody expect you to lose.
Jesus have mercy.
I keep telling them every
And what they use make rose?
the other day. Everybody expect you
You know when her back there, sir?
but we are here to play cricket. And
Just when her back, and when I put a fat there in her back there, sir.
the other day, everybody expect you to lose.
Jesus have mercy, God. That they on the internet. I want camel. She want camel.
The other day, everybody.
And that they on the internet are class people to rotted.
I keep telling them every day, this is no the other day. Everybody expect you to lose. That's that, but we are here.
No, sir.
This is no the other day. Everybody expect you to lose. That's that, but we are here to play cricket. And I keep telling them every day.
Chat, me can't stop, me can't unsee this harass. And that they on the internet. Then chat when she sit on pan. When she sit on pan. Her back she sit on pan. When she sit on her back she sit on pan. And most her back she sit on pan when she sit on to backside. Cause she not no batty. Where batty there? And where the batty there?
I keep telling them every day, this is no the other day. Everybody
You look on them their foot there.
that's that, but we are here to play cricket. And
Chat, Rose foot them is her hand. Rose foot them is her hand and her hand her foot them.
but we are here to
Look how Rose foot them little and her hand them big. Look on her hand. Then chat that the same frock as she wear go funeral top all in. Jesus have mercy. What is God?
every day. This is no
And this a girl here, this a dirty germs here.
sit down for internet a class people.
I keep telling them every day. This is
Look on her hair.
the other day. Everybody
Look on her hair how it matted.
that's that. But
Look like how one rat. If you shake her head too much, one of the rat drop out.
the other day, everybody expect you to lose. That's that. But we're here to play cricket.
A data class people for internet. Look on it.
The other day, everybody expect
Look on the dirty crocs on her foot. Look on the dirty crocs on her foot.
them every day. This is no. The other day, everybody expect
Then Rose can't open up for her foot for wash her crutches, chat. Then tell me say Rose can't open up for her foot for wash her crutches.
the other day, everybody expect you to lose.
She can't open up for her foot for wash her crutches.
And I keep telling them every day.
This a drunk cry can't open up the foot for wash her crutches. That they foot they can't like he can't even open up.
That. But we're here to play cricket. And I keep telling them every day. This is no.
It's like he put them glued together. Jesus have mercy. This a drunk created for internet a class people. Look on that. Rose, me see all of shape bad people in America. Me never see them shape like you yet.
And I keep telling them every day. This is no. The other day, everybody expect you to lose.
Jesus.
People, and this I'm at the girls them. Yo, Rosalie have a bomba stand up them people. Jado, yo. Tell me one thing, we can watch some more.
Chat, you know what that? Oh, what that chat?
The other day, everybody expect you to lose.
I went her back. I want to put something there in her back. Chat, oh, she put on her dress.
This is no.
Oh, she put on her dress.
Everybody expect you to lose.
Also, we can't have sloop on the chat. I that the girl there, I cast people on the internet.
Everybody expect you to lose.
Yeah, our backstage, so. We never see somebody backstage, so.
I keep telling them every day. This is no. The other day, everybody expect you to lose.
Yo.
This is no. The other day, everybody expect you
Mighty God of Daniel.
to play cricket. And I keep telling them every day.
You know how she look for front way?
The other day, everybody expect
No, sir.
that's that. But we're here to play cricket.
Yeah, somebody said me turn my phone upside down. Chat, make we turn the phone upside down. Make we turn it upside down. And where the mama cry. Chat, look for her upside down. Chat, look for the girl upside down. Chat, look for the girl upside down. Chat, look for the girl upside down. Much better, right? Much better. Chat, una Africa down for that one, yeah. Look on the girl upside down. Una Africa down for that one. Somebody said the Jamaican economy. No, what they say? What they say upside down? How the mama clad this man? Yet to know. When Rose come in here, she go class the whole away. Much better, right? Somebody say favorite gig. Oh, yo, somebody said she favorite gig. A long time I don't hear about gig. Oh my God. I can't laugh. This young girl on the internet a class people. Chat. This look on her chat that they like the key open up for that the girl wash for herself properly. Are you over here boy your class people? Alright, I'm going to turn the back around now. You're not too wicked. No, you know, say she look better upside down, for true. She look better upside down. She look better upside down. Because
That's that. But we're here to play cricket. And I keep telling them every day. This is no. The other day, everybody expects you to
Chat.
And I keep telling them every day.
Jesus.
The other day, everybody expects you to lose. That's not what we're here to play cricket. And I keep telling them every day. This is how.
My God. Chat. When I get a good laugh, when I can't lie. When I get a good laugh.
With my rude behavior and my word that I say from my mouth, that we're gonna have 2 friends visit him and stuff like that. That was wrong to say, and it don't sound appropriate. It was not the right thing to say at the time. And folks, on that day, there's something happened great in my life, and I was like in our happy mood. We just get away with myself, and I was drinking, I was, me already, Hennessy and the white. Somebody on some local liquor and thing. And some word now come out in the right, appropriate way, right? So, I want to apologize to the public, apologize to Jake's friends, family, all them supported them from day one, and who still support him. I see that on a very mad, and of course, I'm a human being, and sometimes we, things just get out of control by just having a drink. Something exciting was going on for me on that day, and trying to get Jakes on my live to talk about some things, and didn't have the patience, and then we start to act up a certain way, which we should have known better as a growing man. Jakes look up to me, everybody. Jakes have so much respect and love for me that me not see how me can come and diss Jakes and take down Jakes. I can't do that. That not look good on my side, and I'm not that type of person. Right? So I just want to apologize for my rude behavior, what I said and how I said it. I want to apologize to Jake's supporter them, because they're mad with me. Oh Lord, they tear me down, they tear me down, they tear me down, they tear me down. Oh my Lord. I get it, I get the beating. I take the beating. Respectable, so me not disrespect nobody and what they said about me and how them put me and how they address me and judge me. Me not gonna say nothing, because me in the first place I'm wrong. So as a big man, I apologize to Jakes and his family and his supporter them, everybody who love Jakes, because you see, me hurt to know as Jake's supporter, me hurt myself, because me love Jakes as I wanna love Jakes too. We see a rising star, we see a man where he never really dip on social media, and when he come on social media, right, and the way how this man talk intelligent, and we just love this guy. This guy is a star. He was just hiding, and what not here do for Jakes is nothing to talk about. It was just love from my heart, and we mean him good, and of course Jakes are gonna make it. Nobody can stop him. Nobody can bring down Jakes. Nobody can stop Jakes, and it take a man out of me to come to the right thing. I apologize to the public, also my people them who love me. You understand? One Jakes. Me just want to apologize to my people them who love me and who know me. Right? I have lots of people are contacting me and them that know me as this type of person. Right? And then the comments that they read, that the people are saying about me, that me threaten Jakes, me gonna make 2 man visit him. No man, a rum talk. It was Hennessy talk. I was in a Hennessy. I was drinking so much. I will never do anything to Jakes, man. I love Jakes like I love myself. See, me and Jakes can't have no problem. And people, this morning, me and Jakes talk around.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section, cause this man here, I think they do a little thing for GX when him just try to start him house and something. I don't know where them go wrong or what cause them to go wrong. But he take a real man, not even a real man. You see me, when a person look into themselves and realize their mistake, cause we all fall short in our people, nobody is perfect. You see me I say, but at the end of the day, everything leaving a GX hand, because you can say something to me and you go use apology now to cover it up and get back in my good site or whatever. So it depends upon GX if you want to forgive him or not. You see me, him come out so him have to say we up to GX next. So let me know what you think. We watch a bit more.
On 7:30 a.m. to be exact. 7:30 a.m. and me and Jakes attack, and Jakes I say, boy, not here. I want go down. And me I say, boy, we don't have one liquor stealing or anything, but the people might beat my butt. And Jakes I say, him see it. But him said, not here, me they want to come on the live, but him they kind of tired because him dey on a little mini vacation and thing. So that's why him never really come over. And him say to me, say, not here, me not this year. And I'm, you know, when I say, me a general, not here, I'm a general. So I will never this not here, you name not here, you know. And me I say, you're my boss, but me that drink. And you know, you're just excited, you know, cross some line, people, and I apologize for those lines. I apologize to the public, I apologize to TikTok, all the TikTok of them, everybody who respect Natia, I apologize to you guys. I'm so sorry.
I said, me keep on say, oh no, you're not. Remember, me keep on access if you don't hear no. Somebody call me and say, liar, me hear say Rosa try run away. And me say, me not hear that. They must hear that hear that from a few people. Let me say, no, me not hear that. Yeah, man, me soon talk to you, man. So that's why me come live and keep on asking to say if you don't hear nothing there. You don't remember? You don't remember I know 4 suitcase by. Yeah, me soon talk to you, man. We wait for ship if you come back. What time, chat? That's a long leave I take for cook. But chat, you sometimes say the people them done stand have no style. The same thing when their name start call up with Naya, I see them where they run away and this and that. I know, look at this. They don't have no style. You don't have no style. The same thing. So you know we have people at Barbados. Barbados coming like Barbados, they take it like everybody at Barbados know each other. So if she got Barbados, we're gonna know, cause everybody at Barbados know each other. We went on the Caribbean airline to search the database until we find name in there. We are waiting for the link of Caribbean airline. They said they're going to search until we find name in there. If not, ticket buy. Ruth, we have people all over in the galley. We have people all over. We're global. I mean, if we find link, blessing we global over here, so what about the blessing? Blessing, what do you we global? For me say, inbox light up. Them want the names, and I gave them the names. We global over here. That's how they hug the like we. We global. I wonder if more can know say Rosa try run away. Rose buy 4 suitcase, chat. 4. Not 1, not 2, 4.
Go look and see if the person check it out. Then I'll check out what the Annie little house. Chad, how was I going in the Annie little house? Yes, she not got a rebel party. Yes, Chad, they not got a rebel party. Better she not go cause she go mash up a girl party. Me say, Rosealee, me that hate me too. Rosealee, me woulda hate me too. That blind girl you beat your bad, she just know your business. Until I send me one wheel, no? Send me one Rosealee, Angela. Send me one Rosealee there.